Let f of x and g of x be two functions that are both differentiable. Then we will define product rule as the derivative of two differentiable functions multiplied together. Their product will be expanded by the derivative of the first function times the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second function. These f and g of x terms are merely placeholders in the big scheme of things. For example, you can have a function defined as g of x, and it be the product of 4x minus 5 and 9x plus 1. In this formula up here, f would be considered your first differentiable function, g would be considered your second differentiable function. So in the expansion, it's derivative of the first function, which would be 4, times the second function left alone, plus, and then we come back up here, it's the first function left alone times the derivative of the second function. So first function left alone, derivative of the second function is 9. Okay, so derivative of the first times the second plus first times derivative of the second. Distribute, that's 36x plus 4, 36x minus 45. Combine like terms, that's 72x minus 41. Second example, again, the function can be named f of x, g of x, y, h of x. Don't let this part throw you off. We are strictly looking at first function times second function. Applying product rule to get the derivative. Derivative of the first function is 9 minus 3x squared times the second function left alone, well, at least the second part, plus the first part left alone times the derivative of the second one, which is 3. Foiling 27x plus 18 minus 9x cubed minus 6x squared plus 27x minus 3x cubed. Combining like terms, we have a total of negative 12x cubed. There's only one x squared term, recopy it. 27x plus 27x is 54x, and plus 18 is our remaining constant. This is the derivative of this product function. A third example, let's let f of x be equal to x squared times 6x cubed minus 1. Derivative of the first term is 2x times the second part left alone, plus first part left alone times the derivative of the second part, 18x squared. Distributing 12x to the fourth minus 2x plus 18x to the fourth. Combining like terms, 30x to the fourth minus 2x. And then our final example, let's let g of x be defined as the product of x squared minus 2x plus 6 times x cubed minus 1. Derivative of the first is 2x minus 2, leave the second part alone, plus first part left alone times the derivative of the second, which would be 3x squared. Remember, any constant has a derivative of 0. FOIL, that's 2x to the fourth minus 2x. And when I say FOIL, I mean first, outer, inner, which is negative 2x cubed, and last, positive 2. Distribute, that's 3x to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus 18x squared. And now we combine like terms. There's a total of 5x to the fourth, a total of negative 8x cubed, only one x squared term, so recopy it, only one linear term, negative 2x, so recopy that, and for the constant, plus 2. I hope this video helps. reach out by phone, email, swing by the office. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with, and I'll do my best to help you.